G'day people, welcome back to the lab. We're going to reinitialize the settings or factory reset this Yamaha receiver. This will work on the RXV and HTR series of Yamaha receivers. Why would you do this? Well, maybe you have a glitch or there's no sound or Bluetooth is playing up or many other faults. It might be a second-hand receiver that you want to reset from scratch. And the easiest way to do this is by making sure your receiver is off by hitting the power button. The display should go blank. Hold down the straight button while simultaneously pushing the power button. Then release the straight button. Select program to get the initialization or init menu. Select straight to select all. Turn off, then turn back on again. A word of warning. You may have set up your favorite settings or preferences and these may be reset from scratch again, so you'll have to reconfigure your Yamaha. Also, if your Yamaha is turning off after a couple of seconds, that is a different fault. Check that out in the video in the description down below. If you have any further questions, check out the FAQ or frequently asked questions in the description or the comments. Hopefully this has fixed your problem. If you're interested in repairing other stuff yourself, check out the rest of our channel. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Other than that, we will see you next time in the lab.